We have week 4, precision drawing techniques in AutoCAD. This is our topic for this week. To introduce this one, the importance of drawing accuracy in CAD is precision is the foundation. Unlike a freehand art, technical drawing demands absolute accuracy for functional error-free outcome. Bali, we have 3 options for this. We have precision versus approximation. We have object snaps or OSNAPs. Yan yung tawag natin doon. Then, the object snap tracking. Yung snap, yun yung parang nag-click siya doon, nag-align siya doon sa, for example, yung gitna niya, we call it midpoint. Okay? Then sa object tracking, ibig sabihin siya nag-automatic, nag-tap doon. Hindi siya pwedeng tansya-tansyain lang natin like yung gitna. Kasi pag naglalagay naman tayo ng lines, sample yung 2 4 meters, kukunin natin yung gitna, maglalagay pa tayo ng 2, medyo dahil na, medyo marami nang gagawin or marami ka nang ini-input. Kaya snap is yun, pinapamadali yung like kunin yung circle, kunin yung mga midpoint, marami siyang mga connection, yung mga dulo. Kaya yun yung purpose niya. We have introduced the object snap or OSNAP, tawag nila. OSNAP yung term natin doon, pero yung niya is object snap. You have 7 modes. We have endpoint, you have center, you have perpendicular, you have nearest, you have midpoints, intersection, and tangent. Activating the configuration of OSNAP, already na-tackle na rin natin to, but to summarize, toggling OSNAP on-off is F3 for immediate activation. Then the temporary OSNAP access would be hold shift or right-click. Iba yung F8, ortho on, ortho off. Yun para kapag nag-align kayo. And the common OSNAP modes explain for the center, snap at the end of the line of arc, for example, connecting to the exact boundaries. Also, detailed is on center and perpendicular, the nearest, the node, the tangent, intersection, and the midpoint. This is the most common modes explained. Dito siya sinasabi kung paano siya nag-interconnect. Like for example, for the center, you have snap to center of circle of ellipse for placing features of core of an object. Pag nag-click kayo dun sa bilog, sa circle, kapag may command kayo, automatic pag click mo, magbibigay siya ng midpoint, mag-highlight yun automatic. Kaya yun yung niya. And practical application in OSNAP would be snap to the line to midpoint, snap to the circle center. Ibig sabihin nag-snap siya ng diretso lang. Pero i-click mo pa rin siya. Parang nag-indicate na siya na ito yung center. Object snap, yan, kung makikita mo yung mga alignment, yan yung parang bilog siya. Pero sa AutoCAD is parang square siya na I think color green or pwede mo siyang iba-ibahin . Using OTrack or object snap tracking is core to creating object specific angles and precise relation object for the drawing. OSTrack F11 yung natin doon. You have to try to practice kung anong pinagkaiba niya para at least makakuha nyo. Try to F8, iba yun, F3, iba yung F11 din for this object snap tracking. Combination of OSNAP and OTrack. Yan. So, ito yung simple sample niya. If you can do it, the example using your AutoCAD, you can use this to check kung paano mangyayari actual. For the ortho mode and key alignment, yun yung kanina, yung F8 na sinasabi ko. We tackled this already. Parang siya, pwede siyang magko-connect doon. Pag pinindot mo yung F8, parang lumalabas siya na gusto mo yung 45 degree, kung gusto mo 90 angles or straight na vertical, wag mo siyang tansyahin, pindutin mo lang yung F8. Yan. Avoiding manual eyeballing. Yun nga, ang sabi ko sa inyo, pag kumukuha tayo ng midpoint or gitna, or kumukuha tayo ng mga angle, iintay natin yung mga snap kasi accurate yung mga yan. Huwag nating tansya-tansyahin. Silipin natin. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kasi more on AutoCAD, more on position tayo. Kasi yung position yung pinakamahalaga doon. Yun yung yung pinaka-importante doon. Kung tatansyahin nyo lang yung gitna, tatansyahin yung mga corner, tatansyahin yung mga edges, minsan pagdating sa sukatan, may mawawala. This should be OSNAP and OTRAC in architectural layout. The powerful combination, streamlined component placement, significantly reducing drafting time and enhancing project quality by eliminating guesswork. Yun nga. Yun kaninang sinasabi ko, ini-eliminate niya yung tansyahan, eliminate niya yung tawag dito kapag gagawa ka kasi sa sample natin yung 4 meters, kunin natin gitna, gagawa ka pa ng line, i-offset mo pa, so doble-doble yung trabaho. Dito, pinapabilis niya. Nakikita na natin agad. This is the core principle and this is the snapping precision. Can you check it? This is for your activity. And again, I will put an activity for the separate link and also the deadline. Minsan yung mga troubleshoot ng OpStop, hindi siya napipindot. Kaya minsan akala mo nawawala. Kaya try to activate. Meron siyang Yan. Customization, settings. Stick it with the basic niya. Para at least wag na kayo mag-customize. Kasi the more na customize, baka makalimutan nyo. Kaya kung anong basic na for the F8, yun na. Pwede nyo kasi i-customize yan. Depends sa inyo. But, syempre, pag iba kayo ng workstation, yun ang problema dun. Easy setup nyo na naman ulit. Okay? Ito yung mga sample ng mga track angular alignment. Yan yung mga samples natin. Then for the OSNAP on 3D, we have sa cube kasi nag-orthographic viewing tayo. We have the vertex, we have the edges, we have the cube, we have the faces. Yan yung mga properties sa 3D object. Instead of snap toggle, try to check yung mga shortcuts and try to determine kung mga ano yung mga yan. Para at least mas actual na makikita nyo. This is the OTRAC for the symmetrical design. And yung mga alignment path niya, yung balance composition, yung paano siya na-enhance when it comes to efficiency. And this example of the polar tracking precision. Ayun yung OSNAP, yung parang ayun yung parang snap natin. Pag magkikita tayo ng mga edges, or any mag-iba, may lalabas na green na square. For the civil engineering, but sa atin po architecture, kaya din to, most likely connected kasi engineering tayo, nasa field tayo ng engineering, architecture tayo. And this is the coordinate system. Try to provide example dun sa nyo. This is a minor mga activities. Kung kaya ng time, ikuan nyo. But kung hindi naman kaya, no problem. This is only example lang. Sa mga survey, pwede na natin yan. Medyo accurate yan. For the electrical, gamit na gamit din. Ito yung mga precision Kung makita mo sa mga object snaps, ayan na nakalagay. Intersection, ayan. For this one, you have step to 1 to 12, meron naman dyan. Ito yung mga object snap arc mode. Yan, nagkukulay siya. Ayan, triangle pala, sorry. Tingnan mo, makikita nyo. Sa AutoCAD object. Sa arc. Common mistake is, yun nga, hindi napipindot, hindi nasa-set na maayos, kaya minsan nawawala. O pangalawa naman, kinalikot ng ibang student, like papalitin niya yung OSNAP. May mga ganong instances na nangyari dito sa CAD room. Kaya minimize your customization. Kung eliminate your customization. Kung ano yung basic na binibigay ng CAD, yun ang gawin natin. This is for the isometric drawings. They're using dimension English, kaya nagiging 14 feet, ganun. This would be the lab review question and answer tayo dito. Basic commands, thinking ano yung object snap, ano yung object tracking, ano yung ortho mode for the review. Okay? Ortho, yun nga, sabi ko lagi kong F8, yung paano yung dalawa. Okay? Try to listen lagi para at least alam nyo. Project guidelines natin. Ito yung mga additional resource para kung may makikita kayo. But for the YouTube, halos nandun na sa YouTube lahat. And this is the end of week 4 presentation. Thank you.